15 minutes Tiffin recipe by Farms to Families. Today we are going to make pasta using Farms to Families Moringa pasta and the taste blender. In hot water we'll add some oil, some salt. We'll add the Moringa pasta. Let it cook till it becomes soft. In a hot pan we'll add some oil, some garlic, some onions, some carrot, capsicum. Now we'll add around half cup of tomato puree. Mix it well. To this we'll add the taste blender around 1 teaspoon, some oregano, some sauce, some chili sauce, some chili flakes, salt to taste. To this we'll add our cooked moringa pasta, some milk with cream. Mix this well. Now let's pack a lunchbox. To this we'll add moringa pasta, some health bars by Farms to Families, sprouts, and fruit of your choice. A tiffin is ready. Happy eating!